Transform your collection of tools with remarkable discounts on trusted brands including DeWalt, Bosch, and Craftsman. We've combed through Amazon's extensive catalog to find you the finest deals available, allowing you to purchase professional-level tools at reasonable prices. Let's explore these fantastic bargains. Outfit your workspace with this extensive Craftsman 230-piece tool collection. Inside this set, you'll find numerous SAE and metric sockets, wrenches, and hex keys, all organized within the tough VersaStack storage system. From experienced mechanics to home repair enthusiasts, this comprehensive kit delivers what you need for vehicle maintenance and residential repairs. Currently 35% off, reduced from $199 to just $129 during this Prime Day sale. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver is your solution for powering through any task. This half-inch brushless drill combines extended battery life with a compact form factor suitable for cramped work conditions. The ergonomic grip provides comfortable handling and superior command, while an integrated LED helps you see in shadowy spaces. Was priced at $179, now just $99 during this Prime Day sale, giving you 45% in savings. Grillian Magnetic Grill Light. Make evening barbecuing easier with the Grillian Magnetic Grill Light. This high-performance rechargeable LED features a strong magnetic mounting system for stable placement on any steel surface. Its flexible arm positions 200-plus lumens of bright illumination precisely where required, and weatherproof construction withstands outdoor conditions. Featuring variable brightness and extended battery performance, this is essential for nighttime grilling enthusiasts. Enjoy 42% off at $34.99 this Prime Day, reduced from $59.99. Grillian Electric Grill Cleaner. Eliminate stubborn barbecue buildup with the innovative Grillian Electric Grill Cleaner. This portable cleaning device features a potent 350 to 600 RPM motor and integrated water tank for simple, thorough scrubbing action. Its roller with stainless steel bristles and multiple interchangeable attachments delivers spotless results without hazardous loose bristles. At 100 watts with rechargeable capacity and built-in illumination, maintain clean grills after dark. Save 31% at $89.99, marked down from $129.99. Craftsman Torque Wrench. Achieve exact tightening with this specialized Craftsman Torque Wrench. Built with reinforced grips for user comfort, this 3/8-inch drive tool provides dependable torque control featuring inch and metric graduations. Its fast access locking mechanism permits rapid fine-tuning for specialized jobs. Pick up this handy tool for $59.98, a 21% reduction from its $75.49 starting price, essential for car work and maintenance. DeWalt 20V Max. Extend your DeWalt system's operating time with these DeWalt 20V Max 5 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, a pair designed for heavy-use situations. These powerful cells deliver longer work sessions for demanding applications without interruption. All DeWalt 20V Max devices work with this pair. At $149 for the 2-pack, you're saving 38% from the original $239 tag. Skill Saw Worm Drive Circular Saw. For substantial cutting requirements, consider the Skill Saw Worm Drive Circular Saw. This 15A 7¾ device uses lightweight magnesium materials, minimizing operator strain and fatigue. Its rapid depth cutting mechanics and 53-degree angled capacity permit swift, consistent, and flexible applications. At $179, you save 19% from its usual $219.99 cost this Prime Day. Handle demanding materials confidently. Bosch 12V Max Drill Driver. Discover complete functionality with this adaptable Bosch 12V Max Drill Driver. Equipped with a brushless engine, generating 300 inch-pounds of torque in a 5-in-1 flexi-click configuration with replaceable bits for various uses, including drilling, fastening in confined spaces. Its light construction and dual speed capability make it an excellent selection for experienced craftspeople. Acquire this clever device at $168 today, receiving a remarkable 30% discount from $239. Craftsman V20 Cordless Oscillating Tool Kit. Discover extensive capabilities with the Craftsman V20 Cordless Oscillating Tool Kit. This adaptable multi-purpose device includes variable speed control for adaptable operation and an illuminated work area for improved sightlines. Its universal no-tool connection mechanism enables speedy attachment switching for grinding, slicing, and scraping. At $40, including battery and power supply, get a 49% reduction from the $99 list price. Irwin Quick Grip Bar Clamps. Hold your assignments securely using Irwin Quick Grip Bar Clamps. This dual pack of micro-sized clamps produces 35 pounds holding capacity with protective, non-damaging pads for your parts. Its one-touch, rapid-release lever enables instantaneous modifications, perfect for little-scale projects and restricted regions. These essential clamps are currently $24.99, down 11% from the previous $28.13 cost. Leatherman Rebar Multi-Tool. Stay equipped for unexpected situations with the Leatherman Rebar Multi-Tool, combining 17 fully locking implements, including blades, gripping tools, bit holders, and exchangeable shear implements, all produced in stainless material. Following the Heritage PST model, its reliability and multiple functions make it indispensable for professional environments and residential use. Currently $79.95, marked down 20% from $99.95. Klein Tools Self-Leveling Laser Level. Obtain precise positioning using the Klein Tools Self-Leveling Laser Level. This advanced instrument produces intense red 360-degree laser projections visible beyond 100 feet, applicable to countless scenarios. Its minimal proportions, combined with a magnetic fastener in 6+ hours of active use, provides exactness and portability on building locations. This Prime Day brings 37% savings, bringing it down from $199.98 to $124.99. Works WX242L4V Lithium Screwdriver. Manage every home project with the Works WX242L4V Lithium Screwdriver. At $42.65, you're getting 8% off the normal $46.25 cost. Compact and robust, it delivers 320 rotations each minute using 7 power settings for exacting results. Its 30 attachments handle assembly, fixes, and skilled applications, while the pull-style quick connection maintains bit security. Comes with an illumination feature and a reusable electric supply with safety features for dependable functionality. Gerber Gear Dual Force Multi-Tool. Handle tough assignments with the Gerber Gear Dual Force Multi-Tool. This rugged instrument employs reinforced plier jaws for increased strength, accompanied by an axial operator, cutting blade, shear tool, and fastener holder. Its flexible jaw mechanics hold numerous bolt shapes within a light 12-ounce frame. Purchase this capable instrument at $112.86, representing a 10% price reduction from the $124.99 baseline. Hoto 25-piece Electric Screwdriver Kit. Accomplish precise finishing with a Hoto 25-piece electric screwdriver kit. This refined 3.6-volt wireless fastening device comes with 25 metallic S2 material bits, variable force regulation, and a non-glare illumination feature for accuracy. The streamlined profile and smart shutdown safety feature work wonderfully for mechanical devices and minor restoration. Get this elegant model for $29.99, a remarkable 40% reduction from the $49.99 baseline. Release powerful performance with a Bosch 11255 VSR SDS Plus Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer. This dependable machine features an 8.0 amp motor outputting 2.0 feet-pounds of striking action in multiple configurations. Great for intense hammering and chiseling operations in rock and brick materials. Its solid construction promises durability. Originally $154.99, purchased today at $144.99 for an outstanding 6% savings this Prime Day. DeWalt DCL043 LED Work Light. Brighten your work surroundings with the DeWalt DCL043 LED Work Light. Original value $110, now available at $67 with 39% off. Produces 1500 LMN with projection distance extending 508 yards. The rotatable base positions brightness precisely, and 20-volt max wireless operation offers convenient portability. Kreg Rebel 20V Ionic Drive Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. Develop long-lasting connections using the Kreg Rebel 20V Ionic Drive Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. Normal price is $349 and receive 14% off, bringing it to $299. This non-corded professional fastening equipment operates using a 20-volt blue-ion charging system and 2A energy source. Built for furniture assembly and wood joinery, it ensures uniform torque, consistent results, and ease of transport without electrical cables. Backed by Amazon's trusted selection, ideal for construction, case design, and custom assignments requiring precision and endurance. Here's a complete overview of our greatest Prime Day instrument selections available in 2026. Make the most of these time-limited bargains to stock your workshop with superior quality instruments at unbeatable value. Enjoy your Prime Day purchasing experience.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.